Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about localization. Laravel's localization features provide a convenient way to retrieve strings in various languages, allowing you to easily support multiple languages within your application. Language strings are stored in files within the lang directory inside the resources folder. Within this directory, there should be a subdirectory for each language supported by the application. So let's create the language file. So go to the resource folder and just click on lang. Then you can see here inside the lang folder, there is a folder which name is en. Okay, which is for English. So here inside the en folder, just create a new file. And let's say file name is message.php, and inside the message.php file simply return an array. So just type here php code and just return an array, and inside this array just type here welcome, and the message is welcome to the Laravel. Okay, and another array element which is language, and let's say language is English. Alright, now save the file. Now go back to the lang folder, and here just create another folder hi for Hindi. Okay, and inside the hi folder just create a new file, and file name is message.php. Alright, now copy this text and paste here. Now convert this text into Hindi, so just copy this line and go to the Google Translator and just paste here. Alright, now copy this text and remove and paste here, and change it with Laravel. Alright, and language Hindi, so just type here Hindi and copy and paste here. Okay, alright, now go to the welcome.blade.php file. So just click on welcome.blade.php file, and here just use the language. So I am just going to type here, first of all remove this, and inside the double curly bracket just type here underscore underscore parenthesis single quote and message, which is the file name message.php. so just type here message dot welcome. Okay, message, file name and array element, array index. Okay, welcome. So just type here message dot welcome, and inside the p tag, inside the double curly bracket just type here underscore underscore message dot language. All right, this one. Okay, now modify the welcome route. So just go to the web.php file. So just click on routes web.php, and here just add one parameter which is locale, and inside this callback function just pass here locale. All right, and inside this method app colon colon set locale method, and pass the dollar to kill. Okay, all right. Now let's check. So go to the browser and here just add en. You can see here, welcome to the Laravel curly bracket. So just go to the welcome.play.php file and just remove one. Okay, now save the file, refresh the page. You can see here, welcome to the Laravel English language English. Okay, now change the URL. So go to the browser and just type here hi. Okay, now you can see here message and language are showing in Hindi. Alright, so in this way you can use localization in Laravel. So that's all about localization. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.